Welcome to our video on how to make passive income with your smartphone. Today we'll be sharing 9 easy tips that you can start using right away to unlock a new stream of income. Do not miss the last one. Tip number 1. Online surveys. Numerous apps and websites offer paid surveys, allowing you to earn money by simply sharing your opinion. Tip number 2. Digital platforms. Leverage platforms like Etsy, Shutterstock, and Amazon Kindle to sell your creative work, photos, or even ebooks. Tip number 3. Cashback apps. Download apps that offer cashback rewards on your purchases, allowing you to earn money while you shop. Tip number 4. Micro-investing. Utilize micro-investment platforms to grow your wealth effortlessly, even with spare change. Tip number 5. Rent out your belongings. Clear out your closet and earn money by renting out your unused items through apps like Airbnb or Turo. Tip number 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through your smartphone and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Tip number 7. App testing. Take part in paid app testing programs to provide valuable feedback and earn money in return. Tip number 8. Video blogging. Share your expertise or experiences on platforms like YouTube and monetize your content through advertisements or sponsored deals. Tip number 9. Dropshipping. Start an online store without the need for inventory. Use smartphone apps and platforms to connect with suppliers and fulfill orders. With these 9 tips, you can start making passive income using only your smartphone. Remember to explore each method further to maximize your earnings potential. Thanks for watching our video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on unlocking passive income with your smartphone.